X4s for you. It's about time Yamaha listens and sends them by the truckload instead of 1 and 2 at a time. This color you're looking at here is my personal favorite. It's the all black special edition. The special edition is going to come with the multi-tone graphics as well as plastics, multi-tone seats, the shocks painted to match. Got a couple more here on the trailer, but we'll get these unloaded right now real quick. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a beautiful day, everybody.